Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is Sandy for Spellbinders. And today I'm sharing the unboxing of the Merry Everything Christmas kit. Now, this card kit is not a part of the Spellbinders Club. Anyone can purchase it and there's no need for you to join a club. The Merry Everything Christmas kit is an enormous holiday kit that contains over 630 pieces. This gorgeous traditional holiday themed kit can create over 25 cards and over 24 tags and so much more. The Spellbinders Merry Everything Christmas Kit contains the following: 25 cards and envelopes, adhesives, a set of 9 dies, a gazillion die-cut shapes, clear stamp set, a 6x6 40-sheet paper pad, 14 pieces of cardstock, 1 gold and 1 silver foil cardstock sheets, 2 sheets of foiled vellum, 2 sheets of glitter paper, a 40-pack of memory cards, 3 sheets sticker pack, a red and white striped twine, glitter chipboard stickers, epoxy stickers, 120-piece adhesive diamante embellishment, letters to Santa embellishments, red glitter foam alphabet, and tag and twine set. This is a limited edition Spellbinders Christmas card making kit. The name of the kit is Merry Everything Christmas Card Kit. And I tell you friends, this limited edition is first come, first serve. When these kits are sold out, they are gone. They're not making anymore. So hurry on over to Spellbinders, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a link to this kit in the area right underneath this video. Enjoy the rest of the video.